Hi friends! I have several requests for the Granny Smith applesauce. Now this is in lieu of taking your apples and either eating them raw like that or wedging them and coring them and sprinkling some real lemon juice or pink Himalayan sea salt on top to take some of the tart out. So what a lot of clients have asked me is, Doc, what's an alternative? And I said, Granny Smith applesauce. Here's how I do it. Now we don't peel these because you want the extra soluble and insoluble fiber that's contained in the peelings, right? So at my house, when I make it, my Dutch oven will hold 15 medium-sized Granny Smith apples. I wash them, I wedge them and core them, I put them in the pot with the juice of one real lemon, not the green bottle, and enough water so it doesn't boil dry. You don't want too much water because then you have to drain it off before you blend it, and you don't want too little because it can boil dry. It's just enough to get the apples to start to soften and to juice and let the natural juices come out and let the natural sugars come out so that when you blend it into applesauce, you get that sweet flavor as opposed to a raw apple. So I stew mine on medium high heat for about 40-45 minutes. You don't want it boiling over, so once you get it boiling, drop it down to medium heat and that should be fine for 40 to 45 minutes. Then I have a Baymix Pro immersion blender. Immersion blenders are excellent for making marinades, dressings. You can make mayonnaise with it, whipped cream, scramble your eggs. You can even make mashed cauliflower, which is, my granddaughters think it's mashed potatoes because we don't tell them it's not. But we actually make mashed cauliflower with our immersion blender. So for making homemade applesauce with Granny Smith apples, it's perfect for doing so. So 15 apples, 40-45 minutes, medium heat, juice of one lemon, enough water in the bottom just to get it going so it doesn't boil dry. Then I sprinkle some ground cinnamon on top before I use my immersion blender, and it chews up the peelings and everything. You don't even know the peelings are there, but you're getting that soluble and insoluble fiber with a lot of vitamin C complex. Enjoy it. It's a wonderful treat. And your serving size is about the size, again, of one medium-sized apple or a small pudding dish. You can chill it or serve it warm, both delicious. Enjoy. God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon.